What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Matt Dillon, back again with another video. Today I got something special. I was able to pull it off in studio today. We do have Osmo Pocket 4. Osmo Pocket 4. Yes, sir. I was able to get this in the States. I was able to get this from Japan. Yes. So I'm going to do a little unboxing video. I did not get the creator kit because I wanted it faster, so I got the plain one. Don't need the creator kit. I could buy everything separate. Plus, I use different parts like small rig, Ulanzi, newer, etc. You know, so I'm not really tripping on that. But I'm excited to have this. Got this the other day. I still have not opened it. Have it in hand. Plastic still on it. Like, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and let's dive into it. Honestly, so here you go. DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This is the essential combo. Side, back, then the side again. So going over the specs, as you can see right here, we have a 1-inch CMOS sensor. We were able to do 4K 240 frames per second. We have now 14 stops with dynamic range. That's going to help a lot with the highlights and the contrast. 10-bit D-Log, no more D-Log M. It's full-on D-Log on the Pocket 4. With the full-on D-Log, you're able to push and pull the colors as much as you want, unlike D-Log M, which was a more limited version of D-Log. Alright, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and rip the plastic off. Oh yeah, cool. So I'm excited for this. I know I talked about holding off on getting it, but I wanted to bring you guys a video on this, so let's go ahead. Okay. Other than that, just instructions. Oh, you get a cool sticker in it. It's just hard. It's a fire sticker. And empty box. All right. Put that to the side. There we go. Nice plastic. Says Osmo. Getting into it. I've kind of seen a little bit of videos. I tried to stay away from the videos, but I have seen a little videos, and honestly, I'm disappointed and then not given a case with the Osmo Pocket 4. The 3 had a case. It was perfect. It kept the camera safe, and you were able to keep extra lenses and ND filters on the case, so that helped out so much. But with the new Osmo Pocket 4, I don't know why, but they switched over to a baggie. And then on top of that, it's not like it fits. It's not like the Pocket 4 fits in the Pocket 3's container. It's bigger, so that kind of sucks. So here we go. It says Osmo branding on top. See what's in this pouch right here. You have the extended battery charger. This one's a lot shorter. I'm not sure why, or maybe it's just a pass-through. Then you have USB-C cable, just the usual stuff. Then as you get deeper into it, you have the camera right here. All right, so nothing else important. Let's go ahead and put this to the side and get straight to the main product. Damn. All right, here we go. This one feels a little heavier, I'm not gonna lie, but it feels good. I like it. All right, y'all. Here we go. DJI branding looks all the same. Actually, this looks more aggressive compared to the last one. And here we go. Cool. So let's go ahead and start peeling the plastics off. I'm so glad that all versions are the same. So that means it comes in English, or you're able to choose a language and it's English automatically. So I don't have to do no complicated translating when first setting up the Pocket 4. All right, there's some juice in it. So as soon as we swipe up, it gives you the language option. But right here, as you can see, the 2 new buttons. You have the new zoom and you have the new custom button. And then you have the usual thumbstick, joystick, however you like to call it, and then your record button. All right, so turn it back on. Let me take the sticker off the lens. Cool. All right, let's do English. Okay, confirm to DJI mode, to firmware, confirm. Quick start, guys, start. Right now, I'm just gonna be setting it up. I probably won't keep this in the footage, but I'll speed through this. And it looks like we're in, guys. Oh, that's cool. If I only have a dedicated button, you get that extra space. Bad. Right now at 4K, you get 4 hours of record time. All right, let's record something. What's going on, guys? This is my first video on the new Osmo Pocket 4. I'm so excited for it. As you can tell, I'm recording on it. I have you guys right here. Got you guys right here on the top, and then I have you guys right here in front of me. So, yes, sir. This is just my first recording on the Osmo Pocket 4. So excited to get to play with this around, take it outside. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. This is in D-Log M. This is in full D-Log 10-bit. So when I color grade this, curious to see how it's gonna look. But it already looks great on camera, honestly. Compared to the Osmo Pocket 3, it looks great. But yeah, so here's the new Osmo Pocket 4. Let me bring in the Osmo Pocket 3, kind of show you guys the differences. There we go. So here we go. Osmo 3 versus the Osmo 4. You can tell it's a little taller, not by so much, but it's really different. So I can see no custom button on this side, no zoom button. Still have the same, the joystick is different, but I like it. This one was a little too deep, not really a lot of wiggle room. This one actually feels like a joystick. And then the record button, same old. They changed it to Osmo right here instead of DJI. But yeah, so big differences is this one had 13 stops with it. This one has 13 stops of dynamic range, while the 4 has 14 stops of dynamic range. So with the Pocket 3, it films in D-Log M 10-bit color, but with the Pocket 4, it records in D-Log 10-bit, so you get the full capabilities of D-Log, unlike D-Log M, which is a little restricted. Pocket 3 does not have internal storage, while the Pocket 4 does. And that's really dope because just in case you forget an SD card or you run out of space on the SD card, you have a backup on your camera, and then you have double the space. When I was setting it up, I saw I had 4 hours and like 30 minutes on 4K. And now that I set it up to 1080p, I have 11 hours. That's a lot of record time that I'm able to do. And then on top of that, I could add another SD card. Yeah, there's a lot of filming you could do with these little cameras, but they look a little different. They look insane. Let me go ahead and put this one in D-Log. Put it like that. Definitely looks different, but hold on, let me put this up. Wow, already dropping it. All right. Yeah, I don't know. I'm excited. All right, y'all. That has been the unboxing of the new Osmo Pocket 4. I'm excited to go ahead and take this out, film with it, and see what it's capable of. I do have some accessories coming in tomorrow. Nothing too crazy, just some screen protectors and defilters and things like that. So those are gonna come in tomorrow, and then I'll go ahead and I'll unbox them, throw them on the Pocket 4. I'm gonna take it out the rest of this week and the weekend and see what it's able to do. So I'm excited to do that. Thank you guys. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be part of the video. I'm gonna keep this video all together. So this was an unboxing aspect. I hope you guys enjoyed, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'll see you guys in the next clip, whenever that is.